Here I am trying to make another attempt finding the thing. Okay, I think wrong note. I should go in the old one. Was this the one? No, this was not the one. Yeah, I don't know. I feel I'm very close, but where am I lagging? I don't know. So let me try. I hope at least I get it this time. This one expression. So much is going behind. I didn't expect this. Everything I did, so much of brain getting used, but I don't know where did we reach. So yeah, of course, every time I do, it's kind of I have to do the revision so that. So what was that? I got energy. Let me finish this in like a few minutes, like the revision, of course. And here we have these two things: angular momentum and what is this? Energy. Because of this I got something like I don't want to redo this, so I just believe that I have done it right, so I will get this. So much of effort was gone in making this, so I can't spend more time on all this. uh, so what was it? Dr by square root of 2 by m 2 by m e minus k by r l square by 2m 1 by r square e minus k by r minus uh, L square by 2m 1 by r square L square by 2m 1 by r square. So what's the day? So now uh, now what to do? I don't remember much. What more was I was supposed to do? I think I missed somewhere here. There was a mistake here, I think maybe. Let me check if there is a more refined. Yeah, I think this was the thing. I forgot these numbers. Right? 2 by m. Uh, L by mr square 2 by m. Where is this? Uh, and now what more can I do? Then why are there two 2 by m's here? This is what happens if I just blindly trust my old past self. I mean, the old past self as well worked a lot, and so I can't just blame my old past self. Okay, my old past self uh, did this right, I guess. I was just double mixing it. Then what did my old past self did? So I took u equals 1 by r and uh, so then he did whatever was in his hand. So let me do here itself. So what I can do is 1 by r is u, 1 by 1 over r is u. So 1 over r, if 1 over r is u, then du can be written as minus 1 over r square dr, and so d theta is L by m du, and then here we go. I think I am doing it right? Same thing my old self did. He must have done the same thing. Then my old self did some completing the square, and 2 me by L square plus mk by L square whole square. Two me by L square plus mk by L square whole square. I took this as neta square, right? 2 me by L square plus mk by L square whole square. I took this as neta square, and so I have all these, and so I can write this as something. So I get a nice expression. Okay, I think this is where I messed up. What I did that day was a matter of differentials, was it? How can there be a u here? There was supposed to be a w, because this is what u plus mk by L square is. Was this what I did wrong? I think this is what wrong happened, and everything got no, but I don't think so. Like here it should be w, right? Then I did this, everything. I guess I can't escape it. I have to do it myself a little again. My old self did what he can, but I don't want to. I will continue. I will just trust my old self. What more can I do? This is too much, honestly. A lot more, lot. Hmm. The thing is, okay, I have all the machinery, like all those formulas with me, but the idea is this, yeah, still, and this is my origin. This is that main core, and I have some perpendicular line here, closest distance, which is of 90 degree. And hmm, this is some theta. At some theta it is minimum. So if particle is coming somewhere from somewhere here, and of course the distance of this is impact parameter b. So I know two things, right? So when theta was pi, my r was infinity, and theta is some theta, which I now have to find. My r is still infinity. These two things I know, but I don't know, like how can I extract something from that? Like, nothing is making much sense. I have two instances. One where theta giving me, so I don't know how to fix this. Is there a way to do that? I think it is safe to say that these two lines become complete parallel to each other almost, and at infinity they both are the same. So I guess in that instance, theta should saturate, right? As r goes to infinity, theta must saturate. It will approach to some angle. Just like here, like as r was going infinity, theta was going pi. Something similar like this should happen here. But what is it? That is a question in itself. I wish I know what it was exactly, but I don't. I just don't. And so, what can I do? Hmm. So I have some vector here. I will have some vector here as well. I have no guarantee that this and this will be in the same direction, so I can't do any claim on that. I will have some angle phi here, and I really don't know what to do. What if I never got the solution at all? What if I'm just stuck forever? So next what I can do is so what can I do next? This is where I always just get lost. I I just don't know what to do. Hmm. This should also be phi, I guess, by arguments. And I don't know. I'm just finding phi's wherever I can without any idea how will that exactly help me. Hmm. Hmm. What can I do? Hmm. It's very much painful, I would say. It doesn't matter how many times I analyze a hyperbola, I just get brutally beaten down. Okay, I have drawn a hyperbola here before, so let me see this itself. What should I really be concerned of here? I think this is not a good hyperbola shape. Maybe it is, but let me try another. How about something like this? And now something like this. Right? And the thing about hyperbola is you draw lines, no, parallel lines. Maybe it's better if I just make them pass through the origin for some reason. Hyperbolas are So okay, let me try again. Almost passed through the origin, no problem, never mind. So if that's the case and this is a zero angle, then what, then what, then what? Okay, so maybe I can argue whatever angle is being made here at infinity, here also same angle will be made. That I can argue, right? Like with respect to this, whatever angle is being made, because this is the asymptotic line, like the theta is approaching to. I mean, of course, but how will I use that? I don't know. Like here, if I use the same argument, this is something I did, I think, few days ago. Same argument here, that how much ever it is tilting, right, with respect to uh, the tilt. How should I say? Like, yeah, like this line is already doing the job of these lines here, which is a very good thing in itself, I think. And I got this angle, so the argument says that I think, yeah. So if I successfully found this angle, I think this is my angle I am looking for. This very angle is the same angle uh, being made by my hyperbola at infinity. Let me see what happens. What if that is the case? That is very interesting. If that is the case, then I think my job is done. I have so many equations which are connecting to so many things. If that is the case, then I think I have a chance. I do have a chance. I can find uh, theta. I mean this phi. So how will I find the phi? So the thing is, I know the speed here, and also I know the distance what this will be, and also I know that I know the speed, I know the distance, I know angular momentum value. Okay, I know so much of stuff. I know this angle. What color should I use? Maybe this. I know this some angle is there. I know it. Supposedly, if I know all this, my job should be easier. Is it? Hmm. So this is 90 minus 5. It is weird, like whatever angle is being made here, it will at infinity also same angle will be made. Very hard to visualize, but I guess that is what I'm getting. Hmm. Hmm. So now what? Let me collect all those old values I had. I trust those equations and I will just go with them. So I will write everything here now. So what was the relationship between my impact parameter and something I found right 2 days ago? Angular momentum, impact parameter, all that things. I did some calculations to find yeah, this thing, distance of closest approach. I need this. Let me keep this one. Distance of closest approach. I will just say R naught maybe. This is equal to okay RC, distance of closest approach. The distance of closest approach is K by E plus square root of K by E square plus 2V square times half. Now then what I have to do is, I know the angular momentum value, which is L equals to 2m B U. I had that as well somewhere used. Please, where are you? All this man crazy. 2 MBU and L is 2 MBU and let me write it in terms of kinetic energy and so my kinetic energy is just E, so half mu square, so 2E by m square root is your U, so this is m 2mb square root of 2E by m, so is equal to 2b square root of 2m, which kind of makes sense. Mass times velocity times distance, that's your angular momentum, the units are perfect. This will give you mass times distance overall under square root, and then mass times velocity, and then there is distance here. So yeah, units are matching. Nice. I think matching units is kind of a boon given for calculations. If you are, at least it can give you some direction. Okay, maybe you are right. Maybe so far things are not that bad. So, and then I have this angular momentum relation. Another angular momentum, and then since I am perpendicular at the distance of closest approach, my speed will be this much. This will be my speed at distance of closest approach. This will be my speed. Okay, no, sorry, this will not be my speed. I can't find the speed. It should be subtracted by potential, and so my speed will be this will be my speed. So this is nice. this is very nice. And I know RC, it is complicated, but I do know RC. Oh. RC. And now finally 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 what? Nothing. Okay, this is confusing, so I will use some other variable for speed. I think I will use S for speed, so why not an S? And so next is the speed. Hmm. Okay, I am going to do some crazy shit here. I know that angular momentum is mass times distance times speed. So angular momentum I know is 2 mbu v. Uh, so I will just write like this: 2b square root of 2 mu. And I know that mass is known, distance of closest approach is known, something like this: k by e plus square root of k by e square by 2 by square. Half, of course. And then finally the speed, which I know. With this I think I can wait, with this what would I do? What is this even proving? This is proving nothing. So what should I do? This proved nothing, man. I know the speed for sure. So if I know the speed, at what angle will I have a 90-degree? I guess even today it is a failure. I have to go, but I want to do it. I'm just stuck again. I'm just too lost without any idea how to proceed, and just too arrogant, I guess, to see the solution. Uh, Too stubborn, childish. Uh, what can be done? Hmm. Mm-hmm. So nothing is being found. Uh, so what should be done? Hmm. Mm-hmm. I think you won't be able to solve this again. All this crazy math taking there. I don't know. So if you made this far, thank you. I think I can't continue anymore because I just don't have what it takes right now. I guess it is just too hard for me. Bye. See you guys. No, no, no. Wait. Let me try for a few more months. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. No, I can't. Bye.